What's up, mobile gamers? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're hanging out here for the first time, make sure you smash subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're always up to date with the latest guides, tricks, and easy hacks for your favorite games. Today, I'll be showing you how to get unlimited spins in CoinMaster, all straight from your phone. No laptop, no shady installs, and definitely no rooting or jailbreaking needed. I've already tested it myself, and yep, the resources dropped into my account super fast. It's simple stuff, so I'll walk you through step by step. Let's get started. Grab your phone's browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you use, and head over to the website I'm showing in this video. It's got tools for loads of different games, including CoinMaster. Just type in CoinMaster in search bar and tap on the Unlimited Spins hack option when it shows up. Couldn't be easier. Once you're on the generator page, you'll see a short form. Choose your platform Android or iOS, and then paste in that user ID you saved earlier. Quickly double-check that everything looks right, then tap Connect. The tool will sync up with your account in a few seconds, and all of it's handled securely in the background. Now comes the fun part. Pick how much resources you'd like to load into your account. Choose your amount, hit Generate, and let the system do its thing. While it works, it's running through the encryption, syncing, and server checks, all the behind-the-scenes stuff, so you don't have to. Before the resources can land in your account, you'll need to finish a human verification step. Don't worry, it's nothing complicated. Usually, it's just downloading a free app and using it for a minute or two. If you're unsure, there's often a short guide right on the site to help out. Finish that, and you're ready to roll. Now, head back into CoinMaster and look at your spins balance. If you did everything right, the boost should already be there waiting for you. I ran through this same process earlier, and it worked perfectly. No glitches, no waiting around. And that's it, a full, simple walkthrough on how to score unlimited spins in CoinMaster. If you found this guide useful, hit that like button and share it with your gaming crew. Got stuck on a step? Drop a comment below. I check them often, and I'll help you out. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss the next guide or hack. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the extra resources, and I'll catch you in the next video.